Alrighty, speed. Here's another one of your 427 small block Fords. Give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of RC and seat heads on it. Got some grind hydraulic roller. Obviously got the Borla on all blacked out. Blacked out front end. The front sump oil pan. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,600, it's 477 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 547, peak horsepower 596. We're at 575, so that's the new head in the Borla, so it's a good little runner. What we'll do now is pull back the exhaust, make sure it's good and clean, and show you a couple other things. See if your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information. Engine build specs, dyno video, tech stuff. Highly recommend plug in and watch it. On the engine will be this tag. It will have an engine number and some other specs. That engine number, if you need anything from us, the easiest way to look you up. Flip it over, got a QR code, take you to more technical stuff. So pay attention to all this. Have a great day.